Oh, mirrored lifts. We're going to floor 19. This is the exclusive solarium for the VIPs. I'm guessing that'll be filled at some point. But yeah, nice view. What's this? A little shower? Wow. I kind of feel like that's what you'd find in the middle of a bunch of hotels, not on top of a ship. Look at the size of that TV. Imagine watching Robot Wars on that. Oh, you can go in them ones down there. They're not for exclusive people, but up here, this is for all the proper. I've got a special ticket people. But there's no one here at the minute. The man's just kindly let us in to have a quick look around. He looked at my card and then he looked back at me in disgust. And he was like, "You can't come in here." So, yeah, let's go down. We're burning off as many calories as we can by going downstairs. There's a Buddha in the window. That's all Deck 18's got. It's just a Buddha in a window. Oh, there's the Sky Lounge. Let's have a look. Adults only in here, apparently. First thing I saw was a child. Oh, this is lovely. Piano. I'll be playing that later. And a lovely bar. Oh, hang on a minute. Looks like every single thing here is included for us. 16. Oh, we found one that we're not allowed. Two we're not allowed.
A 16 and a 17.
So that's a Martel XO and a Remni Martina XO. We'd have to pay full price for it if we wanted it. That'll do for after lunch. Nice little bar snacks if we fancy a snack. Free of charge. King prawns. There he is. And there's his wife. Right, what shall I play? Let's go down this way a bit, still on Deck 18. So directly opposite the only bar on the ship, no, it's not the only bar on the ship, directly opposite a no children's bar is the children's area. Lego fans. Yeah, drop your kids off here if you want to get pissed, then go down the corridor to the non-kids bit. This is the Attic Club, a nightclub. Groovy. Oh, it's got an outdoor area as well. The Horizon Bar. Oh, there's a little pool to enjoy out there. If it's warm weather and if it's heated. If it's not heated, then it has to be really warm weather. So probably maybe not today. That's the next ship. Oh, there's a hot tub over there. That'll be heated. Let's burn some more calories down to the 17th deck. Right, so we've come down one flight of stairs and we're on 16. So that deck must have been a double deck that allowed it to have, you know, the lower area for the. No, this is you know, the lower area for the pools and stuff. So this is the gym. A bit of an arcade going on. F1 simulators. You can buy bowling shoes and do some bowling. This is some kind of VR station. 10-pin bowling. Some dancey stuff. Some hockey stuff and some basketball-y stuff. And another bar. Just literally get a whey protein shake if you want. Then there's another pool at the end of this area. It's called the Pool and Amphitheatre, but I thought an amphitheatre was where you get your limbs amputated.
1.7 metres.
Yeah, that's as deep as Alex. So deck 15, that's the buffet that we were just in. Oh, cool, nice. So you can just search for anything you want. How many brothels have they got? So this is a tropical bar and atmosphere pool out here. That I'm guessing there's something there. What's this? Oh, it's the gelato. Oh no, it's the ice cream bar. Yeah.
Oh yeah, atmosphere ice cream bar.
Nice. Ice cream and cocktail in the same order. Massive TV. Hopefully there won't be football on it the whole time. Big pool or double pool. Loads of seating. Very windy. So we were over there, up there. So there's going to be stuff on decks 16, 17, 18 and 19 in front of us that we haven't seen yet. Oh, there we go. Indoor pool. That'll be nice and heated. Comes with its own waterfall or water wall. And then there's a hot tub here, a hot tub there, and upstairs. So that's what this area is. So there's no need to backtrack ourselves and try and find out what we've missed. It's all here. Another bar, just in case you don't want to walk any more than 10 paces for your next cocktail. This is another special area that only the special people can access if you've got a yacht. International football, table football tournament going on up there. Get designer Coke in there. Burning so many calories going down these stairs. Decks 8 to 14 are just cabins. Somebody must have made that sign knowing that people like us do this.
Just cabins, so we have to go to 7 for the carousel line.
Ah, let's go down to 7 then.
Red Gem
Burn some more calories. The Russian mercenary group deck. We're all gonna die. 7-inch. There we go. Casino Royale. Infinity mirrors for when you're pissed.
Just in case you need it.
Lots of money will be spent in here.
Oh yeah, and the bar.
And if you're lucky, you can win a ticket to your next cruise. Starting to feel a bit of a rumble, a very faint rumble. So we might be getting down towards, not too far off the engines. Our original cabin was on deck 5, so that may have been quite noisy. This is the carousel bar and show area. The other way we have the champagne bar. Champagne, yeah. It's not real it's not real pain, it's champagne. The whole thing's a sham. And there's the little piano man again, banging one out. So that is the mall, by the looks of it. Let's go and have a look. Get out of me fucking shot. Il Campo Ristorante.
But it looks very nice.
That is potentially where we'll be eating. I can't. Alex mustn't have a card on it. No, we're not in here. We're in Minuetto. Oh, let's go down the sparkly stairs. How elegant was that? Oh, here we go. So there's a robotic bar. You can get him to order you a drink. Let's have a go. Right, they want money off us for this, so we'll come back and watch someone else spend some money when we get a chance. You order it on a screen like that, like what you get at McDonald's. Oh, it started weathering outside. Oh, they've got a hole. They've got a people hole. Hello, everybody. They're just employed to stay in the hole and pretend that they're like the NPCs basically, and they're just there for like extra atmosphere for the whole cruise. Jewellery shop. Swarovski. A big hall. Some MSC stuff. Another like a duty-free shop, shopping gallery. L'Atelier Bar and Art. Oh, nice. So you can come in here for a free drink and sit amongst art and a piano and just be all suave. Oh, these are all the menus for all the exclusive restaurants on board for the extra special stuff.
Tacos.
We might be going to that one. All you can eat tacos for about 13 quid. Oh, get in. The luxury plaza. So in all sorts of shebangles. Crepes, ice creams, chocolate cones. Oh, look at them. That's something I threw together with the loose pieces I found in the kids' playing area. Sweets, chocolates, macarons, more sweetie goodness. You just have as much as you want, all for free. No, I'm joking, you do have to pay for this bit. Chocolates, this is a chocolatier cafe. They do white chocolate, dark chocolate, milk chocolate, all different coffees. Oh, that is all made of chocolate, it's all edible. So is that. So is that. So is that. So is that. Imagine that for each step. Oh. So is that, apart from the velvet. And so is that. So is that. So is that. And so is that. And so is that. Live music, because why not? A boutique. Oh, there we go. It's all you can eat, 18 quid, not 13 quid, my bad, but it's still good, considering the other restaurants have everything at like 50 quid per item. Right, so basically, all you can eat, £17.99, but all the items are like, you know, between 2 and 9 quid each anyway, so by the time you have 2 or 3 things, you're probably going to have used up the price, and then you can just have as much as you want all over again. Le Grand Theatre. Perfect for watching Bambi. Right, that's deck 7 done, so deck 6. Oh, hang on a minute, we're on deck 6 now. What's happened? Oh yeah, we went down the steps onto deck 6. So we've done all that, the Minetto restaurant, the Symphony restaurant, the Opera restaurant, but we didn't see any of those, we must have gone past them somewhere. The Starship Club, the Hub, the Photo and Digital, we've not seen any of that. Foundation, Gallery Virtuosa, we've seen that, restaurants, bars and shops, and the Grand Theatre. So let's go down to deck 5 now. Right, so we've just come down to deck 5, but we're stuck in this bit where it's just cabins, and nothing in the middle. So we thought, hang on a minute, that must mean we need to go back up to 6, over to the middle of the ship and back down to 5 again to find all the good stuff. However, there's some stairs going down here. So we're going to see if there's any Easter eggs.
Further down.
Oh, you can't get further down.
So this is just the medical.
Can you not lift the floor up here? No. Open this leaf first. Oh my god, there's leaves in there. Wait, what's down here? Lifts. Crew only. Oh, you want to go? I want to go in there. That's where the crew live. What's all this? Passengers embarkment. Close all windows slowly. Cabins.
I'm guessing this is like
Random cabins. Maybe it's like staff cabins, crew cabins. Right, fine. We've not found anything. Oh, someone's pulled the roof down and changed it for a flag. Right, so there's the sushi restaurant up there that we've not shown you, and there's the Butcher's Cook Steakhouse. Right, now we're at the middle of the ship again. Let's walk down another set of sparkly stairs. We previously went down them ones. Go down these ones now. We've got Michael Bublé the second here. Just grab a bottle of vodka and take it with you, it's fine. Champagne cocktails, all included.
that's where we.
This is the Indochine restaurant, which is
This is our restaurant.
oh no, this is Minetto. Yeah, this is our restaurant. Okay, so this is the one that we just go into. So that's straight ahead there then. So that's where we'll be dining tonight, I think. I don't know, this is the Blue Danube. Wait, which one's which? Right, so no, this is the Blue Danube. We've not even heard about this one. The Minetto is where we do go for our tea later, and that's on deck 6, and we've not found it yet, so it must be on the opposite side to the one we did find. Ah, yes, so this will be the yacht club and the higher up people, the Starship Club, when you're on your own spaceship. Oh, the cabins are ready. The cabins are ready. Right, so the cabins are ready. That's where the crew go. Look at all that, you can see the rivets on the wall and everything. Come on, everybody in. Get your pyjamas strapped on. So this is it. We've finished everything. We can't go any lower than this. The engines are underneath us. I'm going to ask for an engine room tour, but I don't think they'll do it. They've got free aftershave. Oh, I'm getting pissed. 24 people on 1,800 kilos. They're being very optimistic there. This is it. This is our corridor. We're here. One of the first up here as well, because quite a lot of luggage left out. There we go, that's us. Ooh, look at it! Wow. Oh, we have to put a card in to make it do. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's right, it stops people from leaving lights
There's a
on.
bathroom with a shower, and a toilet and mirror and rolled up towels and other towels and other towels and other towels and other things and something across the door and free shower gel and shampoo and another mirror and then a wardrobe and a safe and another bit of a wardrobe and some extra hangers and a couch which turns into a sofa bed and a stool and a fridge, a mini fridge, which I believe is included. I'll have to check that.
There's an actual do not disturb makeup room button.
Yeah, you can press this. Instead of putting it on your door, you just press makeup room or do not disturb. Big mirror, phone. There's like an Alexa thing there, but it doesn't. It's not obviously Alexa. It's their version. Little ice bucket for if you order any champagne. Decent sized TV. A decent sized bed with what looks like some kind of weird mat on it. A nice piece of art. Decent lighting, nice clean modern room. I'm kind of glad that we got the free not the free upgrade, but got accepted on our bid for an upgrade for a balcony. So there's our balcony. 2 chairs and a table. And a nice little view. At the moment we are very close to the land. And we can see the captain spying on us from here. Remote control. There's a forklift truck championships going on down there. That's the rest of Southampton. So that's it now. I think my job's done. I'm out. We haven't been to the water park yet. We forgot. It's up there. I'm trying to figure out how to get to it. Let's see if we can get up here. Oh look, they've got the hot tubs filled up. There's people in the hot tubs. Oh, there we go. Yeah, this is open from 10 till 4 it is.